What the hell is that?
This crude contraption will allow you to transport the remains of our master.
Can you not simply raise the remains when we find them?
Pardon, Lord, but a being of Kel'Thuzad's power can only be reanimated at a nexus of powerful ley energies, and there are no such places in this land.
Very well then. Let's move out. No one orders me around. This is more like it. Speak, fool. Tread lightly. Finally. Speak, fool. Faithless coward. Tread lightly. Ah, at last. No one orders me around. Speak, fool. No one orders me around. Your pain shall be legendary. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like...
Arthas! Stop this madness before it's too late!
Stand aside, brother. I've come to collect some old bones and I don't wish to be disturbed. No one orders me around. This is more like it. Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. Ah, at last. Tread lightly. What is it now? Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers. You are the end. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. Faithless coward. Tread lightly. Now, Frostmourne. Speak, fool. This is more like it. What is it now? Tread lightly. Finally.
I can't believe that we ever called you brother. I knew it was a mistake to accept a spoiled prince into our order. You've made a mockery of the Silver Hand.
At last. Tread lightly. Finally. This is more like it. No one will me. What is it? Tread lightly. Ah, at last. Now, Frostmourne. Speak, fool. Finally. Come along now, Necromancer. The powers that you once served have need of you again.
Told you, my death would mean little.
What the? Am I hearing ghosts now?
It is I, Kel'Thuzad. I was right about you, Prince Arthas.
It took you long enough. These remains are badly decomposed. They will never survive the trip to Quel'Thalas.
Quel'Thalas?
Yes. Only the energies of the High Elves' Sunwell can bring Kel'Thuzad back to life.
Then what must be done?
You must steal a very special urn from the Paladin's keeping. Place the Necromancer's remains within it, and he will be well protected for the journey.
As you wish.
My life, Onezu, where shall my blood be spilled? I bid it, I
That blight is created when undead structures are summoned. Buildings can only be summoned onto blight, with the exception of the necropolis.
My life for Nezul.
Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. Speak, fool. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. Finally. No one orders me around. This is more like it.
The undead must haunt the gold mine before the acolytes can begin harvesting gold.
Speak, fool. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers.
Faithless coward.
What is it now? Finally. Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers.
Summoning is complete. I bow to your will. Thy will be done.
More gold is required.
When standing on blight, wounded undead units regenerate faster.
My life for
Tread
Nezul.
lightly. Speak, fool.
Summoning a graveyard will supply the undead army with fresh corpses.
Ah, at last. This is more like it.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
More gold is required.
Thy will be done.
What the hell is that? No one orders me around. Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at last.
Your pain will be legendary.
Frostmourne hungers.
Summoning is complete. I wish only to serve. I cannot.
What is it now?
Summoning.
This is complete. You will know end result. Oh, sure you son. Tread lightly.
Ghouls harvest lumber for the undead army.
What is it now?
Your pain shall be legendary.
Now, Frostmourne. Frostmourne hungers. Finally.
Summoning
For the
is
lick.
my life for Nezul.
More
Speak,
gold is
fool.
required.
You will end this torment. Now, Frostmourne. You will end this torment. What is it now?
Faithless coward. I wish only to Where shall my blood be spilled?
Our forces are under attack.
Ah, at last. Speak, fool.
Our town is under attack.
Thy bidding, master. Summoning is complete.
Tread lightly. What is it now? Speak, fool. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. This is more like it. What is it now? Ah, at last. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. Finally. Tread lightly. No one orders me around.
Your pain shall be legendary.
What is it? Speak, fool. This is more like it. What is it now? Speak, fool.
I bow to your will. Yes, master. My fate is sealed.
More gold is required.
I gladly obey.
What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. Speak, fool.
Upgrade.
What is it now? Speak, fool. Tread lightly.
Research complete.
At last. What is it now? No one orders me around. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. Finally. Speak, fool.
Summoning is complete.
No one orders me around. Tread lightly.
Summoning is complete.
No one orders me around. Speak, fool.
Yes,
What is it now? This is more like it. Speak, fool.
Where shall my blood be spilled? My fate is sealed.
Tread lightly.
Our
What is
forces are under attack.
Finally.
The undead have returned.
Tread lightly. I'll make sure you suffer.
My life for Nessie. Thy bidding, master. Thy will be done. I wish only to serve.
This is more like it.
Summoning is complete.
I must feast on souls.
No one orders me around. Finally. This is more like it.
I grow tired of waiting.
At last. Tread lightly.
Upgrade.
Summoning is complete. Yes, master. Thy will be done. Yes, master.
What is it now?
My life
No
for
one
Nezul.
orders me around.
More gold is required.
I wish only to serve. Thy will be
Tread
done.
lightly. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at last. This is finally. Frostmourne hungers. This
Summoning
is more like
is
it.
complete.
Now, Frostmourne. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. Finally.
More gold is required.
What is it now?
Summoning is complete.
No one
Summoning
orders me
is
around.
complete.
Frostmourne hungers. Finally. Faithless coward. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. I'll make sure you suffer. Finally. What is it now? Tread lightly. Ah, at last. Frostmourne hungers. At last. Frostmourne hungers.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
Speak, fool. No one orders me around. What is it now? No one orders me around.
Vile betrayer! You are not fit enough to even carry your father's name! Why Uther ever vouched for you is beyond me. You've stripped him of his honor by casting yours to the winds. You deserve a gruesome death, boy.
For the Lich King. Tread. You will know endless. Faithless coward. Summoning is speak for. This is more important. At last. What is it now? I'll make sure. Finally. This is more light. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. Glory to the Scourge! No one orders me around. Finally. What is it now? At last. Speak, fool. What is it now? Now, Frostmourne. No one orders me around. Your pain shall be legendary. Tread lightly. For the Lich King. What is it now? No one orders me. Faithless coward. Speak, fool. For the Lich King. Finally. What is it now? Tread lightly. What is it now? Tread lightly. Speak, fool.
More gold is required.
No one orders me around. Frostmourne hungers. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. No one orders me. Must be. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. What is it now? At last. Speak, fool.
Inventory
Frostmourne
is full.
hungers. What is it now? Fine. Tread lightly. No one will me tread lightly. Ah, at last. This is more like it. Must be. Speak, fool. Ah, at last. Finally. What is it? Must be. Tread lightly. What is it now? Ah, at last. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it.
Light have mercy on you. Your betrayal has broken Uther's heart, boy. He would have given his life for yours in a second. And this is how you repay his loyalty?
I'll make sure you suffer. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. No one knows me. Ah, at last. Frostmourne hungers. This is my life. Your pain shall be legendary. What is it now? Ah, at last. Finally. You will know endless torment.
More gold is required.
No one orders me around. Must be. What is it now? This is more like it. Tread lightly. Must be.
More gold is required.
What is it now? Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. What is it now? Tread lightly. Now, Frostmourne. Finally. Speak, fool. Frostmourne.
Your father ruled this land for 70 years, and you've ground it to dust in a matter of days.
Very dramatic, Uther. Give me the urn, and I'll make sure you die quickly.
The urn holds your father's ashes, Arthas. What? Were you hoping to piss on them one last time before you left his kingdom to rot?
I didn't know what it held. Nor does it matter. I'll take what I came for one way or another. What is it now? No one orders me around. What is it now? Speak. No one. Speak, fool. You will end this torment.
I dearly hope that there's a special place in hell waiting for you, Arthas.
We may never know, Uther. I intend to live forever. What is it? Finally. Now. No one orders me around.
Excellent work. Now your journey to Quell Thalas can begin.
Tell him nothing. Only you can hear me. The Dread Lords cannot be trusted. They are the Lich King's jailers. I will tell you all when I walk this world again.